Good day to drive, especially in this 2024 Ford Escape plug-in hybrid with silver exterior, black interior, sitting 4.5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Desirable features include intelligent access, dual climate control, selectable drive modes, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. This vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, and this is your charging port. Just open it, and this is a level 2 charger, and this will be completely blue to let you know it's fully charged. And when you're done, just close it and you're ready to head out. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, all with the mats on the floor. Your light controls trunk release and gas cap release. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your FordPass Connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got your dual climate control system with a cold weather package with heated seats and steering wheel, air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. Your air vents and hazard light, volume control and drive modes to switch modes depending on the road and weather conditions, and your defrost control. A little bit of room for storage below with a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C charging ports. Your gear shift dial and 2 cup holders. Your electronic parking brake and auto hold to hold you if you're towing, for example. A console with storage below. Your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, your charging port, body-colored door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, some visors, a coupless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the escape badging. Sensors on the back bumper. To open your lift gate, just press the button below the badging and it will open it for you. And here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, hard surface making it easy for cleaning. And here you're looking at your charging cords. You've got a 12-volt outlet as well. And when you're done, just grab the handle on the right side or press the button and it will close it for you. And you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just pull the tab and it folded the seat down for you and you access the cargo area. Anchors, this other baby seat. And when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, all with the mats on the floor, a slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, your air vents, USB-C charging ports, dome lights, hooks and handle. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, privacy glass at the back windows, some visors, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated blind spot monitoring, halogen headlights and fog lights, sensors on the front bumper, more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.